I was looking for one tempered glass for Samsung M30s. I came across a lot of brands on Amazon and Flipkart. Finally, I decided to go with this brand called POPIO. Based on the ratings, I decided to buy this. There is quite a good number of ratings, about 2000 plus ratings are there for a couple of popular phone tempered glasses. This is how it is packaged. I am very happy with the kind of packaging they have given. It's a very well packaged product. See, the outer cover is also very good, and the inner cover they have given a cardboard, and there is this details on the back side of the outer cover with their social media pages and the address and all those things. MRP is $599, but I think I got this for 197 rupees. It's of 9H hardness, and it has some features like scratch resistant, anti-fingerprint, touch sensitive and anti-glare. This package includes tempered glass, wipes kit and installation kit. Let's see what all are there inside and how it looks. Wow. These are the stickers that can be used to absorb the dust. You stick on it and you pull it off, and the dust will stick onto the sticker. And these are the sticker to actually attach the tempered glass onto your phone, where you have to stick it and pull it out, like the normal screen protectors used to come with the two attached stickers. This here they have given it separately, and it mentions that you need to watch the YouTube video for guidance to apply this tempered glass. Let me keep this aside, and these two are the wet and dry wipes that is required to wipe off the screen before you apply the tempered glass. And there is this received damaged glass and some contact numbers to replace it, and if there are bubbles and all, they are saying they use some 280 AB glue in the glass, so if there is any bubble seen after the application, the bubbles will be absorbed by itself after 48 hours is what they say. And yeah, if there are any problems, they expect us to contact them rather than writing a negative review. They will sort the issue for us. Let me keep this aside. This is a tempered glass. It comes with a sticker. It says 6D edge to edge 9H glass shield. Yeah, it comes with a curved edge. Yeah, I can feel it. This is for Samsung, these particular models. Though I saw M30s in the description, I don't see it printed on this. Let me keep this on the phone and try. If it works, great. Otherwise, I'll have to return and get a new one. If you are also looking for a tempered glass for your phone, I'll drop the link to this particular brand products in the description. You can go ahead, check yourself about the reviews and all those things, and purchase from that link. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.